Good day everyone. So today's video is going to be about Bitcoin price and Bitcoin chart. And as we can see, Bitcoin's volatility is falling right now. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin's price. And as we can see, Bitcoin's price is rising right now, just as I told, just as I predicted. So I think that Bitcoin will continue its growth. So it will make a new ATH. So it will grow for over 74 thousands of dollars. And let's see what happens with fear and greed indicator, and it shows us 78% extreme greed, even though I didn't see any extreme greed market. But let's see what happens with liquidations. And for our 24 liquidations, 24 hours, we liquidated only 90 millions of dollars, guys, which is pretty surprising because usually we liquidate even more money. But let's see what happens with news. So the first news we have is Grayscale fund drops ADA and Atom after quarterly rebalancing, guys. And the proceeds from the sold tokens were used to buy existing portfolio components, guys. And can you guess what are these existing portfolio components? Of course, guys, of course, this is already already exploded Bitcoin with Ethereum, guys. So on the public, they're trying to make sure that, guys, okay, guys, you need to sell your altcoins, to sell your ADA Cardano, to sell your Atom, even though halving, even though alt season hasn't already happened. But guys, so you sell your altcoins, buy Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will raise for 100%, but altcoins are not have guarantee that these coins will happen. So guys, this is so funny because so as you know that altcoins will do their main profit when the Bitcoin's dominant transfusion will happen, when there will be a dominant transfusion between Bitcoin and altcoins after halving, after new ATH. So altcoins will shoot for 10x and more, and the most of altcoins will give 10x and even more. So let's move for another news. So Bella Protocol teams up with Manta Network to fuel DeFi expansion and enhance liquidity, guys. And I have a great news about Bell, guys. I want to tell some congratulations for people who held this coin from my recommendation. So from my recommendation, this coin has gave 2.4x, guys. Is this good enough for you? I think this is a pretty good profit, even though we held it for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. So we just bought here and now price is here. And guys, but globally, I would not sell this coin right now, because Bitcoin's halving didn't already happened, and alt season didn't already happened. So I think that we need to hold this coin patiently for when the alt season, when the Bitcoin's halving will happen. So then, okay, we could sell this coin, and let's see what happens with other altcoins. So here we go, and Dash. And as we can see, okay, it's a good opportunity to buy Dash right now. Let's see what happens with anonymous coins. So Zcash still on globally on the bottom, and it's starting to grow. So take a closer look for this coin. Let's see what happens with XMR Monero. Or not, this is not the chart I wanted. So here we go, and Monero upgrading its new lows, guys. And I want to remind you that this is very unlikely to be given lower prices, because whales are strongly hold the price below this $100 level and don't give prices lower, and they're already upgrading new lows, guys. So just it was in March 2020s here. So we dump it, then we had new upgrading lows, and then we shoot it for many X, guys. So I think that history will repeat again and again, so nothing will change. And I don't think that whales are holding this coin in accumulation for over 700 days just to give 2 or 3 X, guys. I don't think so. So I think that XMR Monero will give at least 5 X's from its bottom, so it will be 500 of dollars on this coin. So I think this will be good profit. And even though price has gave 30% from its bottom, I think this is pretty good opportunity you to buy if you didn't bought already. So and guys, I want to talk with you about rebalancing thing, and I think that this thing is a bad thing. So this rebalancing your portfolio thing is a crap, and I will prove it by Zcash and GRT example. Okay, you bought GRT in October, so you have 3x's profit. Okay, so you decided to rebalance your portfolio and sell your GRTs and buy Zcash, and then okay, you bought Zcash on its bottom, on its fall, on its correction, and then and this coin gave you 65% profit. Okay, but let's see how you could did with just holding GRT. So here you could do even more profit by just holding your GRT, and you don't know which coin will rise or fall, guys. So you just need to allocate a certain percentages for each coin, and don't sort the brain with this all rebalancing portfolio thing, because guys, all the rebalancing portfolio thing will give you is a FOMO and lost money. Okay, and let's move for another news we have. So Hedera HBAR price prediction: will HBAR price rebound? So first, Hedera HBAR price broke below the 50 and 20 days EMA levels, showcasing bearishness, and of course they don't want you to buy Hedera because this altcoin will not raise at all, and sellers look aggressive in the previous few trading sessions. And guys, again and again, they don't want to make you buy altcoins just like HBAR. And guys, let's see this coin's potential from its prices. So it could do around 5x's, but okay, this is still pretty good profit. And guys, if you want to buy it right now, okay, but this is not bottom values you could do in summer and in fall. So I think that I probably wouldn't buy this coin. This coin has already shooted, and this coin has not good potential, so I don't think this project promising, this price promising. And let's see what happens with other news. So Binance US SEC resolve all discovery disputes with US SEC. Here's what's next, guys. And again they tell you that, guys, okay, Binance has dissolved all its problems, guys, so we don't have any problems at all with Binance and SEC. But when do they say this? They say this when price already started to grow, when correction has already happened. So they on these prices, they didn't told you that guys, okay, we don't have any problems. They told you that, Oh my god, guys, SEC will sue Binance, and Binance has not enough requirements for SEC and just something like that. So on the bottom values, they say that, guys, I think that you need to sell your BNB, you need to sell your all your alts because the price will fall further. So because of these Binance sues with SEC and other reasons, but when the price already starts to grow, they say that, oh, okay guys, we don't have any problems with this. And another news we have is Bitcoin indicators that predicted bull run weeks ago suggest Bitcoin pretty close to new record highs, Kevin Spencer. So, and as we can see, cryptocurrency analyst and trader Kevin Spencer saying Bitcoin could be on the cusp of significant upward move based on one indicator. And here we have told something about RCI, and here we have the chart. So we can see that after the RCI breaks its line, its downtrend line, so we had a pretty good growth. So I also think that this history will repeat and that we will break this downtrend line, and I think that's the only true news we have for all this time, for all this correction. Let's see what happens with another news. And another news we have is that Bitcoin now in McDonald's you can accept the orders with tethers and Bitcoin, so you can pay your order with Bitcoin and tether and you will gain 30% cashback. I think this is a very good opportunity to buy us some McDonald's with 30% cashback. And guys, I think that's all for today we had. I think that you will make a lot of money in this cryptocurrency market, and that's all for today, and goodbye.